If you're thinking about using Crowdfire for your social media management, there are 12 things you need to know before making your purchase. We're comparing it to other social media tools out there to see if it's the right fit for you. Stick with me till the end so you can make an informed decision. First, Crowdfire offers features like scheduling posts, managing multiple accounts, and analyzing analytics, which places it in direct competition with platforms like Hootsuite and Buffer. But Crowdfire comes with its own twist, its ability to connect with more than just social media networks. You can also manage your blog content and Shopify store through the platform, which not many competitors provide. Next, Crowdfire has a pretty user-friendly interface, but it might feel a bit limiting compared to tools like Sprout Social, which offers more advanced functionalities. So, if you're looking for something that's more in depth or that provides greater customization options, you may feel restricted here. The third thing you should know is about their analytics. Crowdfire offers robust reporting, showing you detailed metrics for each platform you manage. This is great for monitoring the success of your posts, but if you need deeper insights, tools like SocialBee or AgriPulse might give you a more comprehensive dataset. The fourth thing to note is Crowdfire's content discovery feature. This tool recommends content ideas based on your niche, helping you stay active even if you're running low on ideas. It's a solid addition, but keep in mind that while it can save you time, it's not as smart or varied as competitors like ContentCal, which offers more sophisticated content curation. Next, Crowdfire offers both a free plan and paid subscriptions. The free plan allows you to manage up to 3 social accounts, but you'll be limited in terms of post scheduling and analytics. If you need more, you'll have to move to the paid plans. Compared to others, Crowdfire's pricing is pretty competitive, but lacks the flexibility that some tools like Buffer and Hootsuite offer. Now, let's talk about customer support. Crowdfire offers live chat and email support, but their response times might not be as fast as some of the industry leaders. If immediate assistance is important to you, you might want to consider tools like Sprout Social, where support is known to be more responsive. Another point is that Crowdfire doesn't provide as many integrations as some competitors. While it connects with major platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook, it doesn't offer integrations with as many third-party apps or tools as others like Hootsuite or Zoho Social. Next thing to know is its automation features. Crowdfire allows you to schedule and automate posts across multiple platforms, and it does a decent job at it. However, if you want more advanced automation options, tools like Later and Buffer have more flexible features. The eighth thing to consider is that Crowdfire supports media post scheduling, including images, videos, and GIFs, but its scheduling is not as smooth as some other tools. It can sometimes be a bit buggy when it comes to scheduling large amounts of content in one go. Another feature worth mentioning is its hashtag suggestions, which can help boost your social media reach. While it's a nice feature, it's not as effective or customizable as tools like Hashtagify, which specializes in hashtag tracking. The 10th point is Crowdfire's mobile app. It allows you to manage your accounts on the go, which is a huge plus. But some users have noted that the app isn't as feature-rich as the desktop version, and other tools like Buffer offer more features on mobile. The 11th thing to know is Crowdfire's ability to track your competitors' social media activity. It's a solid tool for monitoring how your competition is doing, but if you want a more detailed competitor analysis, tools like Sprout Social or Social Report might serve you better. Lastly, Crowdfire isn't the most advanced tool on the market, but it's a good option for small businesses and solo entrepreneurs who are looking to grow their social presence without breaking the bank. It strikes a good balance between simplicity and features, but for more advanced social media managers, other tools might offer more robust functionality. Overall, Crowdfire is a solid choice for managing your social media, but if you're looking for something that offers more advanced features, better integrations, and a more comprehensive analytics dashboard, you might want to check out our recommended solution, which you can try for free.